Hey, what's up guys, it's Marquez from the MKBHD channel, back with another video for the Droid Dog YouTube channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at an application for Honeycomb, and that's called HD Widgets. Now you can see it actually has an app here, and this app is for previewing all the different widgets that you can add. This app costs $2, and it gives you about a dozen and a half widgets that are, like the name implies, HD, so they will work on a high-resolution screen like on a tablet. I'm working with the Motorola Zoom here. So you can see that there are a bunch of different options. You can scroll through all the different widgets you can add on your home screens and scroll through all the different widgets here on the bottom to get a quick preview of them all. So you can see there's a ton of different options, and of course they're HD, so they make use of the high amounts of screen real estate you have with the higher resolutions. So that's just a standard theme. You can add more themes as well, and of course you can find those in the Android market. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and check out what it looks like to add a widget. I'll go ahead and hold them down here, and in order to find them you have to scroll to the H section because they all start with HD. And let's go ahead and add a full 4x4 widget here to our leftmost home screen. And this brings up a pretty neat interface where we can actually choose what we want on different parts of it. So by default I believe it has a blue background. I don't really like that. I'll switch to the black. No, I'll use a gray background for this one. And we can choose what sidebar we have. So we have either widgets or the weather. We'll keep the weather there and choose our clock as gray right there. Once we're done selecting, we can hit the add widget button, and it says it's added successfully, so we'll go ahead and view that home screen, and there it is. There's our 4x4 widget. Now you can see that obviously there is a lot of space for widgets on Android. If you can tap this here, you get a full preview of the weather, which is absolutely really nice. It makes nice use of all the screen state you have. And if you tap the time, you get right to the alarm clock, so that's pretty neat as well. We'll go ahead and add one more widget just to show you guys how this works if you're considering purchasing this application. And let's get a bigger widget here. I think this one down here, 4x7, is HD tablet half page. That's a really big app even for a tablet. So let's go ahead and change the clock to be red, change our background from blue to black, and we'll use this widget sidebar instead, and hit add widget. Now this you can't actually toggle, but this is basically just viewing what's on and off. That doesn't actually toggle any of the settings, but that's basically it. There you go. Again, you can tap for the weather, which I think is one of the most impressive features. I really like the weather preview for this application, and you can tap the time up top. Sorry, I tapped the weather. You tap the time and you get your alarm clock, which is pretty sweet. So that's it for HD widgets. I highly recommend this application. It's really nice, especially if you have an Android tablet. $2 is the price for if you get it right now. The price will be going up soon, but also note that there is a version for phones coming out very soon as well. Right now this is tablet only, but you can check it out for your phone very soon in the Android market. This has been MKBHD. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Peace.